Here we are at our intro style solo, and it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we hammer from 12G to 14G, and then we let that last for a bar and for the first quaver of the next bar. Then we play 13 on the G to 14 on the G. Then play 12B and then bend it up and down again a half step. 14 on the G to 12G to 12B. Then 13B to 14G twice. Okay, you probably already know this more or less from the first time that we learnt it. Slightly different to start. Then we bend 15B up a whole step. Let it down. Play this 13B, and then we kind of bend this 15B up without playing it, and then just strike it and let it down and pull it off to 13B, and then play 14 on the G. Okay, so let's do the whole thing again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Very short. Slide from 7G up to 9G and back to 7G. Then play a very quiet 9D. You can hardly hear it on the record, but it is there. Okay, this lick appears at 1 minute and 50 seconds, and it sounds like this. 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, we're hammering from 7 to 9 on the G twice. Then we're playing twice on 8B to 10B. Then we're playing 7 high E to 8 high E back to 7 high E. Then we're playing a quick 10, 8, 7 on the high E. 10B. Then we hammer from 9 to 10 on the B. Then play 7 high E. Then play 2 10Bs. And slide off on the second one. So let's do it nice and slowly. 2, 3, 4, 1. This next lick is played at 2 minutes and 2 seconds, and a clean sound is used for this. And here's how it sounds. 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, we're playing from 5 to 7 on the A. Then we're playing 7 on the D. 5 to 7 on the G. 6 on the B. 5 on the high E. Then it goes 8 to 10 on the high E, and 3, 4. There's the timing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, this lick goes back to the overdriven sound, and it appears at 2 minutes and 7 seconds, and it sounds like this. 1, 2. Okay, we're bending 15B up a whole step and then catching that 15 high E above it. And we pull off from 15 to 12 on the high E. Then we play 15B to 12 high E back to 15B. So far we have 1, 2. Then we play 13 on the B and 15 on the B, and then bend that up twice. And then slide off. So it's 1, 2. Okay, this next lick appears at 2 minutes 23, and it sounds like this. 2, 3, 4, 1. B. Okay, 1. And we play 7 to 8 on the high E. Then we go 10, 8, 7 on the high E. Then slide from 8 to 10 on the high E. So the whole lick is 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, now we play another lick here, which is a complete copy of a lick that we played earlier at 1 minute and 8 seconds. And you'll know the one I mean when I play it, and it sounds like this. Okay, so let's just put the two together and then you can hear it. 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, this next section appears at 2 minutes and 31 and it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Playing 14 on the G, 12 on the B, 14 on the G, followed by 12B, followed by 13B, then slide to 13B. Okay, so that whole section again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then we have this little lick that follows it. We have a hammer on and pull off from this 17 to 18 on the B string. Then we play 17G, 17B, 17G. Then we play 19G to 17G, 19 again. Then a quick hammer on from 17 to 19 on a G, then a 17, like that. So the whole thing. Then we just slide down the E string just on that very last note. Okay, so let's just put that whole section together, see what it sounds like. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now following that we have exactly the same chords as we did before to do the stop.